Pairing typefaces together is an art. Want to pair fonts like a pro without guessing? In the next 4 minutes, you'll master it. Please like and subscribe for even more design tips and tutorials. In this clip, we'll explore some of the considerations for choosing complementary typefaces, including some basic guidelines to start with, keeping the same mood, finding complementary proportions, and the reason you might want to select font pairings from the same type foundry or designer. First, let's review the basics of selecting typefaces. Use only 2 or at most 3 type families together in most designs. Avoid pairing from the same classification. For example, don't mix 2 slab serifs or 2 humanistic sans serifs. Look for good contrast between the typefaces you're considering, and make use of weights and proportions in a type family. Design is how you look, but type is how you sound, as I told you before in this slide from my Creating a Brand Style Guide Pluralsight course. And a typeface is the tone of voice in which the mind's ear hears your written message. Therefore, when pairing typefaces, you want them to have the same mood. You don't, for instance, want something like the pairing on the left. The body copy is Bookman Old Style, which is staid, steadfast, and trustworthy. 3 things Playful Dax Condensed Black is not. So with this pairing, are we trying to be friendly and inviting or inspire confidence? Assuming the latter, the combination on the right works well. I've replaced Dax with Helvetica New, also condensed black, and now the mood of the headline matches the mood of the body typeface. Proportions are another aspect of creating harmony between 2 typefaces. Faces with the same proportions, the same X height and similar character widths, tend to work much better together than faces with disparate proportions. That's one of the biggest reasons why superfamilies like FF Meta and Officina are so valuable. Each family within the superfamily has very similar proportions. But you aren't limited to superfamilies. Look for typefaces that match or very closely approximate each other on these 2 measurements, X height and set width or advance width. Just for review, the X height is the height of a typeface's lowercase letters. The set width is the width of a letter plus a small amount of space to separate it from adjacent glyphs. If we look at those FF Meta samples a different way, you can see similar set widths, as well as the same X heights we saw a moment ago. Thus, because of those 2 proportions, combining FF Meta with FF Meta Serif or some other combination of the superfamily will create a harmonious pairing. But again, it's not just superfamilies that work together. Compare several letters from different typefaces to find ones with similar X heights and set widths to complement each other proportionally. Another way to find harmonious typeface pairings is to look at other faces by the same type foundry or designer. Here are a few typefaces by 2 designers I've already mentioned. Notice the similarities in each designer's faces. Many designers have a common aesthetic they work toward in their typefaces, and many specifically design different families to work together. Moreover, type designers rarely start from scratch when creating a new typeface. Often they'll open a previous face and begin modifying the outlines, and some of the attributes of the original survive. Keep these techniques in mind next time you're looking for the perfect mate to your chosen font, and the typography in your designs will be harmonious, with perfectly paired fonts like a pro.